All right, let's take a look at...
Oh, that went up, Julie.
I can't, so I'm just going to switch gears. Let's talk about Sonos. Those shares are higher this morning, up by 5% after reporting fourth quarter earnings and topping revenue estimates and posting narrower than expected losses. Sonos also authorizing a new stock repurchase program of up to $100 million. So if you look at the numbers themselves and what we heard this morning from Sonos, the loss indeed on an adjusted basis was smaller than had been estimated here. And so that is definitely helping things as well. You know, one of the questions we've consistently had about Sonos is, how's this company going to do as the economy slows down? You know, when Brian Sozzi's already bought 22 Sonos for his house.
Nowhere else
how
to
many
put
more?
this.
How many
I actually
more
was
can he
eyeing
get?
one for my bathroom, but
one.
We'll take that. And another one, like as DJ Khaled would say.
Do you have to get like a special one for the bathroom? Is there like a waterproof
That's what I'm kind of investigating. I'm going to ask Patrick Spence. I'm actually talking to him tomorrow about this quarter, but two quick things off the earnings call. One that caught my attention. One, he said demand seems to have stabilized. Interesting call out by them and their team. Also highlighted two new product launches for next year. Now, Patrick is notoriously very secretive. I don't suspect he's going to give me any clues. There's been rumors that it's going to be headphones, but two new product categories for Sonos next year, likely to mean a re-acceleration in sales. And keep in mind, they lowered their guidance a couple months ago.
I would love to see them in headphones. And there's going to be a lot of, and I mean, I was speaking to somebody just about, because the audiophile community that I continue to engage with for some reason or another, I am a huge Bose audiophile, but from what I've heard from people who love Sonos, like yourself, they continue to buy into Sonos. And so the Net Promoter Score on the company is high. You've got strong brand affinities and affiliations there from the customer base as well. And so now how do you stretch that out into some of the other product categories that you're not in? Headphones seems natural. It seems like you've tapped into the home speaker market well at this point. It's hard to see you upsell cyclically, and that's where we had the question of the replenishment rate for some of the different wholesale partners that they may work with. Earlier this week, I think yesterday we were talking about that. But I think for Sonos, where they could do well, yes, headphones, but also what is a stabilization of customer demand? And is that really just going back to pre-pandemic times and hoping that whatever you were putting out into the market would get received well? I think we're looking at a more normalized period, but stabilization, normalization could actually look very different here in this time.
Well, Adam Tyndall over at Raymond James is a little bit of a skeptic on the stabilization front, actually. He talks about that in a note. He says he's struggling to argue for valuation multiple improvement because he's looking for more stabilization in the business. So even if, CEO's talking about that stabilization now, it looks like some investors want to see a little more.
I shouldn't really get one of these for my bathroom, right? Is that weird? Is that strange?
No. It's got to be able to withstand condensation.
It's true. Okay.
Do you sing in the shower?
Well, I like to listen to the radio in the bathroom. It's kind of nice.
What do you have in there now?
I don't have anything in there now. That's the problem. That's why I need a Sonos speaker.
That is a problem. Okay. I think you should get one.
Too much information, I guess.
We're going to look into that for you.
I appreciate that.
During the next break.
Holidays coming up.